We are Intersect software training services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about solid tools in SketchUp. Solid tools in SketchUp allow you to perform various intersections between solid group or components in our model. Refer our previous video to learn how to create components and group. Solid tools features are only available in SketchUp Pro. The solid tools containing a set of tools like trim, union, intersect, subtract, split. Solid tools is not showing in your window. Please turn on this option under Toolbar menu in View tab. Let us move to the video for know more about each tools. Next, we discuss about trim tool. Trim is used to trim one solid from another. Click and active the trim tool. Select the first object and second object. Now you can see the trim result on the screen. Next we discuss about intersect. Intersect is used to get the intersected portion between the two models. Click and activate the intersect tool. Select the first object and second object. Now you can see the intersect result on the screen. Next we discuss about subtract tool. Subtract is used to subtract one solid from the other and the SketchUp keep only the resulting model. You can activate the subtract tool, select the first object and then select the second object. Now you can see the subtract result on the screen. Next we discuss about split tool. Split is used to intersect all selected solids and keep all results in the model. Click and activate the split tool and select the first object and then select the second object. Now you can see the split result on the screen. Next we discuss about union tool. Union is used to combine all selected solids into a single solid. Click and active the union tool and select first object and then select second object. Now you can see the union result on the screen. Thanks for watching this video.